Hello everyone, my name is Pavitra Pillai and today I will be talking to you about the CMP number 8 Act under GST. Basically, this is a quarterly statement for composition taxpayers. Now let's understand the meaning of composition scheme. The composition scheme under GST is a simplified taxation scheme available to small taxpayers under the section 10 of the CGST Act 2017. Now, under this scheme, the taxpayers pay GST at a fixed rate on turnover. The compliance requirements are reduced. Returns are simpler. They cannot collect GST from customers. They cannot claim input tax credit, that is ITC. Now, what is CMP number 8? It is a quarterly statement or can also be known as a challan filed by taxpayers who have opted for the composition scheme under section 10 of CGST Act 2017. It is prescribed under Rule 62 of the CGST Rule again 2017. Now, CMP number 8 is used to number 1 declare quarterly turnover, number 2 compute tax payable under the composition scheme, and number 3 pay self-assessed tax liability. It is important to note that CMP number 8 is not a return but only a statement for payment of tax. Composition taxpayers are required to file CMP number 8 every quarter and GSTR 4 annually. Now let's talk about some additional information, or not additional, the information required while filling the form of CMP number 8. This form contains the GST IN of taxpayer, legal name and trade name, gross turnover for the quarter, inward supplies attracting reverse charge, tax payable, that is CGST, SGST, UGST or IGST, interest payable if any, net tax payable and payment details, all the payment details. Now, the tax rates under composition scheme are as follows. For manufacturers, it's 1%, for traders, 1%, restaurants that do not serve alcohol, 5%, service providers under section 10 2A, 6%, and the tax calculated on turnover. Now, I'll be talking about the due dates of CMP number 8. They must be filled by the 18th of the month following the quarter. Here is a chart. So, as you know, there are 4 quarters. Quarter number 1 the period starts from April to June, and the due date is 18th July of the next month. Quarter number 2 is July to September, quarter number 3 is October to December, and quarter number 2 is January to March. And as you can see, the due dates are the 18th of every starting of the quarter month. Now, there are also some consequences for filing this late. Number 1 is the interest at 18% annum on tax due. Late fee applicable, which could be maximum 5,000 under CGST or 5,000 under SGST. Continuous non-filing may also lead to cancellation of GST registration. So you must be very careful. Now I'll give you a brief conclusion. So CMP number 8 plays an important role in the smooth functioning of the composition scheme under GST. It allows small taxpayers to pay their tax liability on a quarterly basis in a simple and structured manner. This form ensures that tax is paid regularly without complex return filing procedures. Since composition taxpayers have reduced compliance requirements, CMP number 8 helps maintain transparency and proper reporting of turnover and tax liability. Although it is not a return, it acts as a crucial compliance document that supports the annual filing of GSTR 4. Timely filling of CMP 8 avoids interest, penalties, and cancellation of registration. Thank you. I hope this video helps you.